Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into a frustrating error you might encounter on Linux, chmod, operation not permitted when you try to change directory permissions. This message can stop you in your tracks, but don't worry, it's a common issue, and we'll walk through exactly why it happens and, more importantly, how to fix it. Understanding this error is crucial for anyone working with the command line. First, let's understand why you might see operation not permitted. The most common reason is that you don't have the necessary permissions to modify the directory. You might not own the directory, or your user account simply doesn't have the authority. Another cause could be immutable file attributes. These are special flags that prevent even the root user from modifying or deleting a file or directory. Network file systems, like NFS or SMB shares, can also impose restrictions from the server side, overriding local chmod attempts. Sometimes, the parent directory's permissions might prevent changes to its children. It's a chain of command, and if a link is broken, you hit a wall. So, how do we fix this annoying error? We have several powerful tools at our disposal. The first and often easiest solution is to use sudo. Sudo stands for superuser do and allows you to execute commands with root privileges. Simply prepend sudo to your chmod command, like sudo chmod 755/path/to/ directory. This tells the system, I know what I'm doing, and I have the authority to do it. Always be careful with sudo as it grants immense power. If sudo doesn't work, you might not own the directory, which means even root can't change permissions directly in some contexts. In this case, you might need to change the ownership first using the chown command. For example, sudo chown your username your group name /path/to/ directory will make you the owner. After changing ownership, you should be able to run chmod normally. What if the directory is immutable? This is a trickier situation. An immutable directory has a special attribute set. You can check for this attribute using /path/to/ directory. If you see an I in the output, you need to remove it using chattr. The command would be sudo chattr i/path/to/ directory. Once the I attribute is removed, you should be able to run your chmod command successfully. Remember to add it back if you need that extra layer of protection. Sometimes, the problem isn't the directory itself but its parent. Ensure that the parent directory allows you to modify its contents. You might need to adjust permissions on the parent directory first. For network shares like NFS or SMB, local commands might be restricted by the server. You'll need to check the share's configuration on the server to adjust permissions there. As a very last resort, if nothing else works and you suspect a system glitch, a reboot can sometimes clear transient issues, though this is rare for chmod errors. To summarize, always start with sudo for permission issues. If that fails, consider chown to take ownership. Then, check for immutable attributes with chattr and remove them with chattr if necessary. Also, remember to check parent directory permissions and server-side settings for network shares. These steps cover the vast majority of operation not permitted errors. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps you troubleshoot and fix those permission problems. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Your support means a lot.